I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Android device to Charles Proxy. First, ensure Charles Proxy is running on your computer. You will need to find your computer's local IP address and the port Charles is listening on. The default port is 8888. It is crucial that both your computer and Android device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this setup to work correctly. This initial step lays the groundwork for intercepting traffic. Next, let's configure your Android device. Go to your device's Wi-Fi settings and find the network you are currently connected to. You will need to modify its settings. Change the proxy setting from none to manual. Enter your computer's IP address as the proxy host name and Charles's port, 8888, as the proxy port. Remember to save these changes to ensure your device starts routing traffic through Charles. Now, for secure HTTPS traffic, you need to install Charles's SSL certificate on your Android device. Open any web browser on your Android and go to the address chls.pro/SSL. This will download the certificate. Once downloaded, open it and follow the prompts to install it as a trusted credential. You might be asked to name the certificate. Choose something descriptive like Charles Proxy for easy recognition later. Finally, to decrypt and view HTTPS traffic, you must enable SSL proxying within Charles itself. In the Charles application, navigate to the proxy menu and select SSL proxying settings. Here, you will add the specific hosts or domains whose HTTPS traffic you want to inspect. For instance, you can add *example.com to capture all subdomains. Once added, Charles will begin decrypting the secure traffic from your Android device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.